Greetings everyone. So today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of how to change your profile picture the easy way on your Windows machine. Okay, so what you want to do is click on the Start button, which is the Windows button at the bottom left. And then you want to scroll all the way up to this point right here where your name pops up. You want to right click and then you want to change account settings. Once you get into account settings, you can choose to create your picture. You can use the camera that's built into your laptop or your computer, or you can browse for one. So I'm going to browse for one instead of using the camera. And then I'm just going to choose a picture that's in my picture folder, or choose the location of where the picture is on your computer, whether it's on your desktop, your download folder, or anywhere else. So I'm going to choose this picture right here and then click choose picture. It's going to update itself, and now it's going to show my picture on my profile instead of just a regular picture of a default picture, because it might be flowers, it might be a basketball, whatever you have. But this is where you're going to change the picture. And now that picture is going to be on your profile. It's a little bit small, but at least you know the picture is there. So you can use this to enhance your profile instead of having just a default picture. So that's your choice right there. And if you go into, like I say, your account settings, you're always going to see your picture versus just some default picture. So that's how you go in and change your profile picture if you're wondering how to change it. And if you never knew you could change it, well, at least now you know. So go in there and put whatever picture you want to put as your profile picture, which will show up on the start menu, and you don't have to worry about having some weird default picture. All right, so if this information was helpful to you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for taking the time for watching. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.